Last week, India witnessed something the aviation industry has never seen before. Not a crash, not bad weather, not a strike. An airline collapsed under too much rest. Yes, IndiGo, the low-cost airline, went into chaos because it was forced to let its pilots sleep. DGCA, the safety police for airlines in India, saw pilot fatigue was a growing danger, so they brought in tougher rules to make sure pilots get more rest, especially around night flying. And here are those 4 big changes. First, the weekly rest period got a huge boost. It went from 36 hours in a row to 48 hours. And you can immediately see the problem. If every pilot works less, you suddenly need more pilots to fly the same number of planes. The second was about night duty. They made the night longer officially. It used to be midnight to 5 a.m., now it's midnight to 6 a.m. That extra hour seems small, but it massively restricts how you can schedule pilots for those overnight flights. The third change, and this one was maybe the biggest operational hit, they slashed the number of night landings a pilot can do. It used to be 6 a week, and now what? Just 2. That's a massive cut. That practically grounds your entire late-night flight strategy right there. And the fourth change was total duty time for a night shift was cut from 13 hours down to 10. So you put it all together, more rest, a longer night, way fewer night landings. These rules were for safety, but they created a scheduling nightmare for any airline that wasn't ready. You might have a really big question. These rules applied to every airline in India, so why did they cause such a meltdown specifically at IndiGo? Why weren't other airlines hit this hard? Because they own 60% of the market share. They fly around 2,200 flights a day. So if a new rule forces you to cut back by, say, just 10%, which is a conservative guess, that's 220 flights grounded every single day. And when a company that big has a problem, it doesn't stay their problem. It becomes a national problem. The whole system freezes. To follow the new rules, IndiGo needed over 1,000 more pilots. 1,000. To be specific, about 935 captains and 205 first officers. And the scandal is that they knew this deadline was coming, but they didn't hire. This wasn't a crisis caused by pilots sleeping too much. It was a crisis caused by an airline planning too little. Safety wasn't the problem. Ignoring safety was. That's it for today. I will see you in the next one.